Hello to this unboxing and quick review of the BeiLan RGB PC soundbar. Just want you to let you know that it looks great. The soundbar, it's awesome addition to your desktop, but the sound quality isn't that good. In my case, when I tried it out, kind of cuts the sound coming from it, so I wasn't gonna keep it since the sound is not that great. The price, it's very good price, it's around $20, but the sound quality isn't there. So if you want looks, you can get it, but if you want sound quality, you better get something else. So that was my quick review. Hope you enjoyed and come back for more. There's even a micro SD card slot that you can input into the speaker so you can hear your music through the micro SD card.